Join us as we ride from Mena to DeQueen, Arkansas. Riding from the hills to farm country on the scenic Highway 71. We're starting off after lunch. You will see some welcome biker signs around the town, as this is a popular spot. We are on one of the main streets, Mena Street. This turns into the Talimena Scenic Drive if you go straight. We have ridden that before, and I do have a video of it. I will leave a link in the description below. On our right is Jansen Park. This is one of the city parks in the town of Mena. We are going to turn right or south on Highway 71, also called Highway 59. Mena is almost surrounded by the Ouachita National Forest. There are many scenic drives in the area, as well as state parks. This is the easy and popular route to get to Hot Springs National Park and Ozarks National Forest. Riding over McKinney Creek and the small town of Potter Junction. This is also known as Old Potter. Going over 2 Mile Creek. This is the local chapter of the Christian Motorcycle Association. The town of Hatfield. Hatfield was settled in the 1840s as a lumber town. Hatfield was originally called Morley, but was renamed in remembrance to a railroad construction worker who passed away in an explosion while working on building the railroad. The town of Cove. After the railroad was built, many of the residents of Cove moved to Hatfield to be closer to the railway station. Lighthouse Drive In. This bridge is going over the railroad. The town of Wicks. In the 2010 census, it says Wicks has 754 residents. Wicks started off as a lumber town on the railroad. It now has a hatchery and a poultry processing plant as well. The town of Grannis. In 1881, There were no records of settlers, but there is a tombstone with the date 1881 in the Crannis Cemetery. The tombstone is on a hilltop, and the cemetery was built around it. The post office was established in 1883, and the sawmill not long after. Crannis is also on the railroad, which is now called the Kansas City Southern. The town of Gilham. The town of Gilham was originally called Silver City. It was renamed when the railway went through. Early settlers thought they had found silver here. It was later found to be antimony, and the area was mined from 1873 to 1924. In 1902, Gilham had about 400 residents. In the 2010 census, it had 160. Another bridge going above the railroad. The town of Avon. Coming to the town of DeQueen. The Avon Cemetery in DeQueen is said to be haunted by a baby that fell down a well. DeQueen is another railroad town whose exports include peaches, vegetables, lumber, and honey. Thank you for joining us, riding through the pretty farm country in southern Arkansas. Please click on like and subscribe and the little bell and you'll be notified for our next video. We are going to continue south, over a lake, and to a historic town.